In this video, we'll be showing you how to refill your Rejuvenate. Using the Plantaform application, it'll guide you through the entire process. We'll also be letting you know how to refill Rejuvenate offline. Some of the supplies that we recommend while refilling your Rejuvenate include access to a sink, a towel, a bucket, or a big jug of water, either at the 1 liter or 2 liter mark, a spoon for measuring in your nutrients, your phone to go through the Plantaform application as it'll guide you through this process, as well as the Plantaform user manual. With Rejuvenate, the top tank holds around 2 liters of water and the bottom tank holds 7 liters of water. The Rejuvenate water tanks will last you at the initial stage anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. After that, you'll end up having to refill it around every 2 weeks. If you're using the Plantaform application on your phone, it'll actually send you reminders and notifications on when your Rejuvenate is running low on water. You can find more information about refilling your Rejuvenate on the water tab on your Plantaform application. Within the water tab, you can see roughly how much water is left in your Rejuvenate, as well as how many days are left until you need to refill it. Simply put how much estimated liters are left in your water tank, and then it'll calculate the nutrient solution for you within the Plantaform application. Alternatively, if you're using Rejuvenate offline, you can find the refill instructions on the Plantaform website, on the growing guide, as well as the FAQ section. Whether you're using Rejuvenate online or offline, the status light on the front will indicate how much water is left within Rejuvenate. If your status light is white, that means it has plenty of water left in it. If your status light is red, that means the water tanks are almost empty and it's time to refill. If you notice the status light blinking red, it means the water tanks are empty and it needs to be refilled right away. All Rejuvenates come with a 6-month supply of our nutrients as well as a nutrient scooper. Please remember to keep the scooper with your nutrients as you'll need it to refill Rejuvenate during future cycles. How much nutrients you're adding during every refill depends on how much water is left within your Rejuvenate. Within the bottom tank of Rejuvenate, it can hold up to 7 liters of water. You'll notice on the side of the tank, it'll have a water indication line letting you know how many liters are left within Rejuvenate. Now we'll show you exactly how to refill both the top tank and the bottom tank within your Rejuvenate indoor garden. Start by removing the front window. If it's too bright within Rejuvenate, simply click the button once and that'll start to dim the lights. Within Rejuvenate, you'll have 3 plastic covers covering the bottom water tank. When you're ready to refill, simply grab the tab on one of the 3 covers and peel the cover off. Once you remove the tab, you'll notice the water level indicator. As you can see here, the water level within Rejuvenate is low and is ready to be refilled. You can see on our website, on our FAQ or our growing guide, which line indicates how many liters or the volume of water left in your Rejuvenate. It's important to note to not refill your bottom tank past the 7 liter mark, which is the second line from the top on the water level indicator. When going to refill the Rejuvenate now, within the Plantaform application, you can select how many liters of water are left in the bottom tank to notify you for the amount of nutrients that you have to add. In this case, there's around 1.5 liters left. Within the Plantaform application, you can now see using the estimated liters in the bottom tank set to 1.5 liters, you have to add a 4-gram scoop of nutrients into the bottom tank with 5.5 liters of water. Adding to your top tank 2 liters of water with a 2-gram scoop of your nutrients. The nutrient scoop has lines indicating the scoop size. Now when adding your water, as indicated, you're adding 4 grams of nutrients. After adding the nutrients, use a spoon to stir the solution around to mix in the nutrients into the water. You may notice that you'll have to fill up your 1 liter container a few times to get all the nutrients from the bottom. Now, using the measuring cup, we'll pour the mixed water nutrient solution into Rejuvenate. Now it's time to refill Rejuvenate's top tank. As mentioned, the top tank holds 2 liters of water. When filling the top tank, it is recommended to use a 1 liter measuring cup. To open the top tank, simply click on the tab here and open the top tank there. Fill your nutrient scooper to the indicated amount and then fill it into your 1 liter measuring container. Stir your water and nutrient mixture to dissolve. After this, you can add your water and nutrients into your top tank. During the growth cycle, the top tank will automatically dump into the bottom tank. It's important to note when refilling the top tank, just have a look and make sure that there's no water left in it. And that's everything you need to know about refilling both the top and bottom tank within your Rejuvenate Smart Indoor Garden. Check out our growing guide on our website to view the entire refill instructions as well as our FAQ for some additional information.